Mike and I check out a classic car museum and the best pizza up on the mountain. Thank you for watching. Look at that. This is nice.
That's a 1930 Plymouth Roadster. Very, very, very rare.
Did you see the headlights, Mike? They're like that 28 Buick headlights I had. Probably like a...
offered me $120,000 for that car.
That's a nice score. Hi, lady.
Now, what's special about that MG? There's something special about that. It's a 50th anniversary one.
Okay.
Look, it's got a plaque where her name is on the dash. Go look on the dash, you'll see the plaque. See it there?
Yeah. Nice.
I bought that off a guy years ago. Pulled in here when the trailer had an old trailer with a junk. I'll turn the lights on for you.
I like it. It has the years on them. That's an 84. Look at all this. Look at that stove, Mike. Your wife would like this glass, huh?
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's what, like what?
She collects uranium glass. His wife.
Yeah, my wife collects uranium glass, depression glass, stuff like that.
She loved that glass. That pink thing in there, that were really rare. That were really expensive.
Yeah. Yeah, she would really like this. Toys, Tonka toys. It's a really neat place. That's cool. That old Hunter sign, Mike. Sinclair. Look at that. What year is this?
29.
Ford. Oh, it's got old plates. Got the original motor in it.
There's a 50 Chevy.
Yeah, it is.
What's that?
That's what we just come from looking at, a 50. It's a two-door
Hardtop.
Bel Air hardtop.
That's a 50 coupe there. Business coupe.
I like these.
That's a custom rural Lancer Dodge. That actually was in the museum up in Hershey, PA, in the museum there.
Okay.
The guy had his collection there, and he sold it, and a dealer bought it in Manchester, New Hampshire, and I bought it off the dealer.
These are neat. You never see.
Yeah, I like the mirrors up on the fenders. You know, kind of like a style that ended around the early 60s. And the mirror up on the dash.
That's a 61 because they was a bomb back then because
Yeah.
then he had a 59 with the fins that won the championship. And then when this, or in the 60, I mean, then when they came out with these, they already had a design. They wouldn't sell it. Most of them they sold to police departments, stuff like that. They're real cheap to get rid of. Now they're real collectible.
Look at the 47. This is really cute. Wow. That 37's got a nice hood. And
That's that 37 Chevy.
yeah.
I got the original tier in it. It's mohair to the tier.
Jeez.
Original.
$40.
That's the way they did it.
Look at that. There's Buick. Straight 8?
Straight 8.
Yep.
1937. In 1937, you see someone drive down the street that you know they had money.
Yeah.
The status symbol was Buick. Here.
There's a 50 Ford, huh?
Yep,
Shoebox.
50. Bought that off a lady up Plymouth, Ohio.
Look at that. Wow. Eisenhower. Look at this motor, Mike.
That's a 53 that came out of Mercury. That was last year for the flathead Ford V8.
Jeez.
Guy gave it to me.
Pretty flat, huh? Hence the name. I like these pedestal headlights. This is just... What year is this?
35. And if you're a car collector, you always gotta have a 57 Chevy.
Fuel injected.
Fuel injected. No, not all the time fuel injected, but this was born.
I love the color.
This was born fuel injected. When I bought that, I thought that was a color didn't have too much on the 57, but here no, it was station wagon, a lot of station wagon. It was more color than any car they made.
We have a friend, he has a new in the box, this emblem, and I think Tyler wanted like $35,000 just for the emblem. New old stock. At least that's what he had advertised for. Look, that's a pretty big car. Suicide doors.
Yeah, close to that.
Chevy, that's pretty cool. I actually like this roof line better than the hardtop.
You don't see too many 54 doors with the sloped back end either.
No.
That are very rare.
I like the fenders in the back too. They're just kind of reminiscent of the old Fender cars. You know, the last. Oh, it's got the skirts. That car had the skirts. You know. Look at these. Geez, even these are just crazy what they want. This is awesome.
Is there enough antiques in here?
Yeah. Yeah, you could just come in here and relax and take it all in. Michael, what's the glass that you have?
Sunoco blue. Blue Sunoco, something like that.
Look at that. That's really cool, huh? I like it. It's mini-me. That's a neat little piece, huh? Right hand with a stick.
What's that?
I said it's right hand with the stick on the left. We even got to check out the garage and back room off the garage, which we greatly appreciate.
49 Oldsmobile.
Is that Montclair?
That's a 64. They got the hypo loader at the 289 hypo.
Okay. Wow. This is cool. I like
That's
it.
51.
This is the way I like them.
This is Montclair.
Is it? This is 88. Oh, look at that. Do you know what this is, Mike?
What's that?
Hudson. What?
Oh, that's a Commodore.
Oh, Commodore.
I love it. Window. Wow. That is a nice car.
Motor and
Hydromatic.
yeah, transmission. They're really weird. I go 289. I got all the interior and everything painted.
Jeez.
The more and more you get, the more and more it's got time to do.
Yeah. Look at that. I like the 55s. It's style back then.
I pulled up there and I bought it out there in the parking lot. Got 6 cylinder Q3 with silver.
This is decor. Sunfire. Lincoln. Look at that. C500. Rambler. 47 Ford. 55 Bel Air. Post. We'd like to thank you for watching our video. If you enjoyed this, please hit the like. If you'd like to see more content, subscribe. It's free. Again, thank you very much for watching.